In this quick walkthrough, I'll show you how to use your own OAuth2 client for your app with ACI.dev. And if you're looking for a full guide on advanced white labeling, including customizing the redirect URL, stay tuned, we'll cover that in a separate video coming soon. To get started, head over to the ACI.dev developer platform and configure any Google app of your choice. In this example, I'll be using Gmail. Once you open the configure app, copy the redirect URL and scope. We'll use them later in the process. Now, let's head over to Google Cloud Platform. To get to this page, search Google Cloud Platform in your browser. Sign in using your Google account. Once signed in, navigate to OAuth2 consent screen and select Create New Project. Enter your project name and press Create. Wait for the project to be created. After the project is created, go to API and Access and select the project you just made. To obtain your client secrets and ID, start by configuring the Google Auth platform. Create a new app using your email. Select External and enter your email address. Now press Finish and create to start the configuration. You'll be then redirected to the OAuth overview page. On the OAuth overview page, click Create OAuth Client ID. Choose Web Application as your application type. Insert the redirect URL you copied from the ACI.dev platform. When finished, press Create to generate your OAuth client ID and client secret. Now, click on the OAuth client ID you just created. Copy the client secret and client ID. You'll need these later in the process. And then navigate to Data Access to update the allowed scopes. Paste the scope you copied earlier from ACI.dev platform to manually add all necessary Gmail scopes. Press Add, Update, and make sure to save your changes. After that, go to Audience section and add your email as a test user. For production use, you need to publish the app to allow authorization for all users. For now, add your own email to test the API call. And finally, return to the API and Services page and click Enable APIs and Services. Search for Gmail or any Google API that you're integrating and make sure they are enabled for your project. Now return to the ACI.dev platform and continue configuring your app. And then paste the OAuth2 client ID and OAuth2 client secret you obtained from Google Cloud Platform. Check the necessary boxes and press Confirm. Select the agent you want to configure and confirm your selection again. Add a linked account and start the OAuth2 flow. Once you start the OAuth2 flow, you'll be prompted to choose a Google account. Select the email address you used as a test user and press Continue. You may also be asked to go through a security prompt. If your app is verified, users will only see your app's name and logo as configured in the Google Cloud Platform. Once that's all done, open your preferred IDE and install the required dependencies using UV or pip. Add your API key from ACI.dev and your own OpenAI API key to your environment variables or project config. And then create an OpenAI chat completion, including ACI's Gmail send email function in the toolset. Make sure the Gmail send email function is available in your tool definition. And code the tool and specify the linked account you just created earlier. Now test the Gmail send function to verify it works. And that's it. You've used your own OAuth2 client and connected Gmail to your app with ACI.dev. If you want to add more apps or explore more tools, just head to ACI.dev and start building AI agents. And don't forget, a detailed video on advanced white labeling and custom redirect URL is coming soon.